Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic basic principles of circulatory function. If you guys want to learn more about the circulatory system, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. So blood flow to most of the tissues are controlled according to the tissue needs. It's not possible to increase the blood flow everywhere in the body when a particular tissue demands increased blood flow. Here, instead, these micro vessels which are present in each tissue will monitor the availability of oxygen concentration, availability of other nutrients, accumulation of carbon dioxide, and accumulation of tissue waste products. These microvessels act directly to the local blood vessels, that is, either to dilate them or to constrict them. This is to control the local blood flow precisely to that level which is required for the tissue activity. Also, nervous control from the central nervous system, which includes sympathetic nerves and parasympathetic nerves from the vasomotor center from the medulla oblongata. And hormonal control, which includes epinephrine or nor-epinephrine. These play an additional role in controlling the tissue blood flow. Cardiac output is the sum of all tissue blood flows. When blood flows through the tissue, it immediately returns back to the heart through the veins. This heart immediately responds to this increased flow of blood by pumping it back towards the arteries. Thus, heart acts as an automation, responding to the needs of the tissues. The heart often needs help in the form of special signals to pump the required amounts of blood to all tissues. Arterial pressure regulation is independent of either local blood flow or cardiac output control. The circulatory system is provided with an extensive system for controlling the arterial blood pressure. If the blood pressure falls significantly below the normal value, that is below 200 mm mercury, then a barrage of nervous reflexes such as chemoreceptor reflex, baroreceptor reflex, CNS ischemic response, aortic reflex, and pulmonary reflex elicits a series of circulatory changes that brings back the lower blood pressure towards its normal value. These nervous signals do their functions by the following methods. And the first one is increase the force of heart pumping. And the second one is contraction of large venous reservoirs so that to provide more blood flow towards the heart. And the third one is generalized constriction of arterioles, so that large amounts of blood accumulates in the arteries. This helps in building up of arterial blood pressure. Kidneys also play an additional role in controlling the blood pressure by secreting pressure controlling hormones such as renin, angiotensin II, vasopressin, aldosterone, and erythropoietin. These hormones help in regulating the blood volume. So that covers the topic basic principles of circulatory function. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.